angels, welcome to Crazy's Mystery Scoop. So let's pack my second order. विशाल जी ने छत्तीसगढ़ से स्मॉल स्कूप का बाय किया है. So let's see for her महिला मित्र. So let's see what she got. First she got 2 chain necklace. We give this one flower chain necklace. We give this cute panda chain necklace. Then she got 2 pencil pouch. So we give this Barbie wala pencil pouch and we give this charm bracelet. Then she got bow earring. So we give this pretty bow earring. Then she got mini clock clip. मैम को मिनी क्लॉक क्लिप नहीं चाहिए, so give this pretty earring. Then she got ring. We give this pretty ring. Then we give free gift for her. Thank you so much for supporting.